Right now, we're about to check out Yuri Park featuring Emily May, the homie. Let Me Go Down official music video. This right here should be interesting. I didn't know he was gonna make some music. I know he could like direct, edit, act. You know, this man is good looking, bro. This man could probably play the role for the live action of Solo Leveling. I'm not saying that there should be a live action for Solo Leveling, but if there is one, Yuri Park. Anyway. Let's just dive into this. This English captions as well. I'm not sure what to expect. I've never seen any teasers, but without further ado, Yuri Park, Emily May, Let Me Go Down. Oh, off the bat? Who is this? Is this the mom and dad? Whoa. Okay. Hey. He was given like a spear. Whoa. Oh. Oh, you rapping? Oh. Oh. Damn. That was the most realest thing he said. I like this. Like, look right here. This part right here. Wait, hold on. I think it's after when he starts rapping. Damn. I just want the good lie behind all the good stuff. Me too. But you know what? I'm trying to get paid. Like, where's my money? You know what I'm saying? But waking up with no pain would be fire. Cause your boy get old and my hips be like hurting. Not my hips, but like lower back. Ooh. 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 Who's singing in the back? Ooh, with the beat. Like the whole like chorus repeating like as like the beat itself, going with the beat itself is just fuego to me already. The little intricate instrumentals in the back too. Okay. Oh damn, he got bruised. Whoa. Woo. Hey. Oh, Emily May. Can't replace you? Damn. Hey. It's pretty simple video. Like, it's a white background, just him just like going through the lyrics and his emotions. Ooh. Hey. Okay. Oh, this seems so intimate. Wonder if this like was pretty personal to him. Cause Why Not Productions. Hey. Oh, it was his parents. Okay. Special thanks to my parents. Directed by Yuri Park and Dimitri's Face. Oh, okay. Shout out to them. Good job on directing and editing, yo.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.